Hello, everyone, and welcome back on the channel, The Game Changers. The whole idea of this series of videos that I'm producing for each and every one of you is to inspire you. As you know, that I've been on a mission since 27 years to inspire people in our country to get fit and get healthy from the comforts of your own home. And here we have somebody really special. And this is like a really awesome transformation story that it's going to just blow your mind away. So I just want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video because it is extremely emotional. It's going to be extremely private. And she's going to come out here and she's going to share something really powerful. So I want all of you to just sit back and stretch. I want all of you to just sit back and enjoy this journey. So welcome. We have Lakshmi from Vijayawada who has been here on this journey, and she started her journey with me in 2018.
Yes, Deep. Yeah.
And Lakshmi, welcome to our channel, and thank you so much for being here.
Thanks a lot, Deep. Thanks a lot. And I'm really blessed to know you so personally because whenever I see the articles about you online, I thought you were available only to very high profile clients. I mean, that was my idea because I never knew that you were so approachable. I have read many articles about you, but when the first time when I have seen an ad on Facebook that you're conducting some retreat in Vijayawada. I felt so happy. I thought like, oh, Dinas madam is going to open something in Vijayawada. Finally, I'll be so happy. And I attended your event, and I didn't expect that I would see such a transformation in me. I know, I mean, I have suffered all my life with more weight and I'm obese. And I never ate so much, but my eating habits were not so very good. So I really wanted to lose weight because 2 or 3 events in my life, they really triggered me a lot. Because whenever the first incident was, I suffered some health conditions due to my weight, and the other thing was whenever I went and always wanted to try new outfits. And whenever I went out and tried something, and people used to laugh at me because I used to be overweight, and it used to be very humiliating for me. And I always thought like, why can't I fit into maybe a large or at least an L? I was a double XL. So, and the other thing which really made me humiliated me was whenever I boarded a flight, I asked for an extension belt. That really hit me hard. So I cried a lot, and I thought, and people used to laugh at me because I have to, we have to put the belt when the flight is taking off, and that really hit me hard. And the other thing was I suffered a lot health-wise because of my overweight. And I used to do a lot of stress eating. I mean, I tried my best to lose some weight, but I did not lose a lot because I really wanted to see a major transformation in me. And the other thing was, నాకు ఈ వెయిట్ లాస్ అంటే ఇక బాగా ఇసుగొచ్చేసింది. అంటే ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ ఫ్రస్ట్రేటెడ్. ఏంటి ఇంక లైఫ్ అంతా వెయిట్ లాస్ అయినా ఎంతసేపు వెయిట్ తగ్గాలి, వెయిట్ తగ్గాలి, వెయిట్ తగ్గాలి అంతే. My life is, why should my life be always be about weight loss? I have so many other things to do in life. I want to concentrate on so many things. And I was really happy to join your retreat in Hyderabad. And you pushed me really hard, and we really had a good time, and I made some really good friends in the retreat. And those 2 days registering in your retreat was the best decision I took in my life. And in the first 3 months, I have lost 10 kg successfully. And from there, I have, up till now, I have lost again 15 more kgs, and totally I have lost 25 kgs. Love you, Dee, and love.
Fantastic.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Fantastic. It is time for you to rejoice.
Yes.
It is time for you to rejoice.
And I can't even express my happiness, Dee, because I never ever thought in my life I would fit into a medium. Now I'm so proud and I'm so confident. And I even now I am almost fitting into a small. So I'm really, really happy, Dee, and I got only 5 more kgs to lose to be exactly what my BMI was. Yeah. So if I'm for my height, I can be 68. I'm now 70, but I want to be 65. So I have just 5 more kgs to lose. Thanks a lot, Dee. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for everything. It's not only about weight loss, but the confidence I have gained after losing my weight. And I can't even express my happiness in words. Yeah.
Lakshmi, what? You tried a lot of things in the past.
I have tried a lot of things.
Why were all those failing?
I think the two main things which really helped is mind programming. That did miracles to me, because I really get tempted to certain foods like sweets, chocolates. I like whatever the food which have lots of fat. Like I like food from childhood. I really enjoy food, and I'm brought up in such a way we eat all the delicacies, all types of foods. So I obviously have put on weight, and I have been to different gyms. I have lost weight like 3 to 5 kgs, but not more than that. And again, I used to gain. But after I joined your program, I think it's everything is in the mind, because that mind programming and portion control. Oh, those are only the two things I really, really followed. And I stepped back. And I used to make sure I did not buy anything which I like.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the thing that really worked for me. I followed your, I mean, it was and the one thing I loved about your program is you never told any of us, don't eat this, don't eat that, don't eat this, don't eat a white rice, don't eat brown rice. And you said we can eat a whole egg. I was jumping with joy when you said I can eat a whole egg. Yeah, so there was no any rules or restrictions in your program. We can eat everything or anything, but it has to be in smaller portions. Yeah, that's exactly I did. I ate brown rice, I ate white rice, I ate everything. I ate a small slice of pizza, but whatever I did was the portion control. I strictly maintained portion control, and I used to get tempted a lot. I wanted to feel like eating ice creams. I used to have a lot of temptation, but I controlled my mind. I only thought one thing: I have to lose weight, and I have to lose a lot of weight. And that's what I mean. The three things that really worked for me are portion control, mind programming. Those two things, they really did wonders to me. And I always used to think, whenever on the last day of the retreat, you are all asked us, what is your affirmation? And I remember a lot. I said, I just want to look exactly like Dinasdi. That was my affirmation board before me. Then I thought, oh, so I'm a double XL when I'm joined your program. Now I'm a medium. Yeah, I'm very successfully fitting into a medium. Thanks a lot, Deep. It was not only about weight loss, but the happiness and the confidence, the joy after I gained after losing weight. I can't express this in words. Deep. Thanks a lot.
How does your husband feel about it?
He's shocked. Deep. He's shocked. And he's saying, nowadays, he's saying you're obsessed with a weight loss.
No.
Because I can't stop my, he supported me a lot. He never discouraged me. He was one person who always, my husband is one person who always supported me through thick and thin. Now he's saying, okay, you have only 5 more kgs to lose, you relax. But now, I'm not really stressed out about weight loss, but I'm enjoying this journey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Earlier for me, fitness is always frustration, but now after joining your program, fitness is always fun for me. Yeah, I love to exercise. Yeah, because
and you're attending my sessions in the morning also. I see.
Yes, yeah. And even I'm enjoying the recorded sessions also.
Right.
Every day I attend your session, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And the other days also, morning I do 1 hour workout, and in the evening also I do 1 hour workout.
Wow.
Every day, no matter what, even Sundays. Because there are a lot of times I texted on a Sunday evening, I'm enjoying your workouts, love you loads. I have texted you a lot of times because that is when I completed my workout on Sundays also. I said my husband, no, it's not my obsession. I simply love to work out. That's all. Because 5 more kgs, I know how to lose it with your
How
program.
you know?
Yeah, now I know. Like even if I have more cheat days in my life, I know how to reduce it. Yeah. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
So
It's
when you join, I always tell people that my goal is to make you your own coach.
yes,
So
yeah.
I think that in your case, I've been 100% successful in making you
So
your own
true.
coach.
So true. It's not only about, I mean, I always used to think your program is always about weight loss, but it's not only about weight
Not
loss.
weight loss is a
Because,
byproduct.
yeah, I have upgraded to your diamond membership. Oh my God, that program is fantastic. It's amazing. It whatever your program, it may be silver, it may be gold, or it may be diamond. It's not only about weight loss. It's about the positive mindset.
Yeah.
You encourage people a lot. The weight loss
Inspiring.
is only a fraction of the thing you are giving us, but it's very, very motivational. And the positivity, I don't know why I get a lot of positive vibes seeing you attending the program, and there are many nice people in the group. Everybody are so warm and nice and very encouraging. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Deep. I'm really blessed to be a part of your community, and I'm really blessed to know you so personally. Thanks.
25 kilos is not a joke. And that was in a span of how many months?
I think it's 18 months, Deep, not even 2 years.
In 18 months,
Yeah.
25 kilos. And during this lockdown period, especially when you cannot go out and you cannot do anything, to get those kind of results, people during the lockdown period had gained weight, but you during the lockdown period got yourself so motivated that you actually lost 25 kilos all by yourself using the system that I taught you. Really,
Thanks a
hats
lot,
off.
Deep, because you started the free classes in March 22nd when this virus has started, and I was really happy. I mean, I know it definitely you would be successful no matter what. You would succeed in whatever you do. But when you started the online classes, I was just literally jumping in joy. I need not go out of the house.
No.
Just change my change into my exercise clothes and do the exercise, and it was fantastic. It was
So where
fantastic.
do you do your workout? Which part
I
of the house?
I do it in my living room.
In your living
Yeah,
room.
I just do it in my living. I just got a desktop for myself. I mean, it was already there. It was my husband, so I'm using it now. So I just do it in my living room every day.
Very nice.
And my husband was saying he was so happy because I mean he always thought like you are so motivated and you're exercising, so probably I have to make a nice gym or nice room for you. So now he is happy because you are saving a lot of money. We need not we do not need a gym room or any special equipment, nothing. Yeah,
you can do in
just,
your kitchen, dining room,
yeah,
any bedroom, anywhere you can do these workouts.
just a good internet connection. That's it.
That's all.
That's it.
That's all.
That's it.
Yes.
And it's where I am very, very happy. The small steps you say, you posted some videos about doing exercise while cooking. I even do that. Yeah, I even do that. And everything in your program is so simple. I mean, it's very easy to follow. It's very, very easy to follow. Yeah. And
what message would you like to give, Lakshmi, to our viewers on my channel?
I want to say everybody just try it out because for me I always used to be a couch potato and I used to be very lazy when I'm overweight. I always used to sit in the sofa and I used to do a lot of stress eating. So whoever are watching this interview, I encourage you all. Fitness is always fun with Dinasdi. Just join the community and try it out. You will not lose anything because we spend a lot of money buying jewelry, everything. And so I think this is the best investment you do. You will not be disappointed because miracles will happen if you are in this community. I promise you that.
Wow.
Because I'm really blessed, Dee. I'm really blessed. How many times I say, but I'm really happy to know you so personally. It's
Thank you.
not only about weight loss. And please try any membership you want. It may be silver, gold, or diamond, whatever, but please try it out. Because after losing weight, the confidence I have gained, I can't explain it in words. I'm so happy. And it's not only me who got benefited. I have changed my entire process of cooking. I'm making healthy dishes now, and even they're delicious. They are delicious to eat. And even I'm telling whomever
Wow.
I know, my family, my extended family, I tell everybody we can make healthy dishes and they are yummy too. Yeah, we need not consume everything which are fattening. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And whoever are watching this interview, please be a part of it.
The
Dina's
Dinas community.
yeah. ఎవరైనా ఈ వీడియో చూస్తుంటే హ్యాపీగా ఏం వర్రీ లేకుండా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా లావు ఉండేదాన్ని. చాలా ఏ పని చేయటాకైనా సరే అసలు అట్లా లావు ఉండటం వల్ల నేను చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డాను. నేను 95 కేజీస్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు 70 కేజీస్కి వచ్చాను. నేను ఎప్పుడు కూడా నా లైఫ్ లో నేను అసలు నా బిఎంఐ చూసుకుని ఎప్పుడు డిప్రెస్ అయ్యేదాన్ని. ఇది లైఫ్ లో నా వల్ల కాదు అని. అసలు ఐ నెవర్ ఎవర్ థాట్ ఐ వుడ్ రీచ్ మై బిఎంఐ, బట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ దేర్. ఐ నీడ్ ఓన్లీ 2 or 3 kgs టు రీచ్ మై exact BMI thing. So I'm so happy.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Thanks a lot, Dee. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Really and truly, what a mind-blowing story. I mean, I've done so many interviews. I've spoken to so many people from our community who have lost so much of weight. I've never seen anyone so passionate who has actually broken down on my interview. And, it just shows that it's it's all in there, and it just speaks volumes about what pain you have gone through.
So much.
Guys,
So much. Yeah.
the people, those of you who are watching this interview, I want you to understand and go dig deep into the pain that you're going through. Today, there is someone who is here on the show who is actually opening up and sharing the pain. None of you have the guts to come out and share and talk about this.
Yeah,
weight loss is such a touchy topic. When you gain weight, you can't talk to anybody else. So, I mean, I nearly broke down on this interview today for the first time in my life.
Please
your pain.
join the community. Don't get humiliated. Weight loss is fun. I can say that with 100% confidence. Weight loss is fun. It's really fun in Dina's fitness program. It's really fun. Thanks a lot, Dee. Thanks a lot.
Lakshmi said a very important point. For all those of you who are watching this show today, don't get humiliated. Get up and start taking action. So I'd really like to thank you, Lakshmi, from the bottom of my heart.
No, Dee, I have to thank you. Thanks a lot, Dee. Thanks.
Now the crying days are over. Now it is time for.
No, Dee, I'm crying out of joy. I can't even imagine, Dee, from a XXL to a medium. I can't even imagine.
And that too just in 18 months.
Yeah, I never ever thought I would. I'm saying to you, I always thought even if I become an XL, that would be fine. I'm a medium now. I'm just into a medium, and I'm jumping with joy.
Let me tell you that when I listen to a story like this, I cannot even imagine that I am capable of such transformations.
You don't even know what you're capable of.
I can't even imagine that by just showing up in front of all of you, by just talking from my heart, by speaking from my heart, and by making you do some workout, I cannot imagine that we are going through such transformations in our community. Really and truly, I'd like to thank God for all the wisdom that He gives me, and I'd like to thank you. Continue your journey. Now I want you to create that ripple effect by just letting people know, by just when they see you, they understand what real transformation is. And I'm sure that the people who laughed at you they have no words to talk to you.
they don't even recognize me. But seriously, I really didn't take any of their comments into my heart. Maybe it really hit me hard. Maybe that was the reason I really wanted to reduce my weight. So I am thankful to whoever commented me. Yeah.
So it is very important for us to understand why we want to get onto this journey. People, when you all are getting onto this journey, you all will not understand why you're getting onto this journey. Until and unless you don't understand your why from within you, you will never ever be able to be successful. Like Lakshmi understood her journey, understood why, how deeply hurt she was, and that's why she became very successful in her journey. So, Lakshmi, I wish you all the very best.
Thanks a lot, Bhi.
Keep that mind positive, keep the healthy recipes going, and start posting healthy recipes out there and help people.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you so much, Lakshmi. And for all of you who are watching this show today, for those of you who are looking for transformations, come join. I would like to invite you to my 5-day WhatsApp class. Come join my 5-day WhatsApp class. The link is in the description box. Guys, there's no time to wait. Go click on the link. See me for 5 days, get to know me, get to understand, and you will get transformations like the way Lakshmi has got today. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for watching this show today. And Lakshmi, thank you once again. And bye-bye.
Bye.